Welcome back to Joy Tutorials Educational Channel DED First Year Childhood, Child Development and Learning. Total 4 units. First unit Childhood. Here what are important questions examination point of view I am discussing. First question, write about childhood in the context of poverty. I given previous videos. And one more question, write a note on construction of childhood in the context of globalization. This question came in 2019. This also given in previous videos. Now I am giving explain detail about child abuse. Write about child abuse and its type. 2019 TS 2019 came this question. Child abuse or child maladjustment, neglect. Okay, these are child abuse also, child maladjustment and also neglect. This is nothing but child abuse or child maladjustment or neglect. This is nothing but violence may take place in homes, schools, orphanages, residential care facilities, on the streets, in the workplace, in prisons, and in places of detention. Here, violence may take place in different places. That is, here affected by children. That's why this is child abuse or child maladjustment. It is a failure to act by parent or other caregiver that results in a actual or potential harm to a child. This is a failure act. Here potential harm to a child. Here happen potential harm to a child. Such violence can affect the normal development of a child. Definition: any behavior detected toward a child that endangers or impairs a child physical or emotional health and development. Any behavior directed toward a child that endangers or impairs child's physical or emotional health development. This is child abuse. This child abuse again divided into four types: physical abuse, emotional or psychological abuse, sexual abuse, neglect. Physical abuse is when a child has been physically harmed due to some interaction or lack of interaction by another person, which could have been prevented by any person in a position of responsibility, trust, or power. Next one, psychological or emotional abuse is a failure to provide a supportive environment and a primary attachment figure for a child so that they may develop a full and healthy range of emotional abilities. Sexual abuse is engaging a child in any sexual activity that he or she does not understand or cannot give informed consent for, or is not physically, mentally, or emotionally prepared for. They are childs are engaging in that sexual activity, that is sexual abuse. Next one, neglect. Neglect is the failure of a parent or other person with responsibility, a parent or other person. This is a failure of who are guardians or parents uh, by neglected. Childs are neglected. Child neglected is a failure of a parent or other person with the responsibility for the child needs. These types of child abuse we can see here. Neglect in total 100%. Here neglect happened 34%. Physical child abuse happened 28%. Emotional or psychological abuse 8%. Sexual abuse 30%. Here neglectful acts can be divided into 6 subcategories. Neglectful acts, parents or caregivers, they are neglected the children's. That acts are divided into 6 subcategories. We can remember SPMEAE. Supervisory neglect, physical neglect, medical neglect, education neglect, abandonment. Ante that means agreement or contract, abandonment, and emotional neglect, supervisory neglect, physical neglect, medical neglect, SPM, EAE, educational neglect, abandonment, emotional neglect. Child abuse in India is often a hidden phenomenon, especially when it happens in the home or by family members. Focus with regards to abuse has generally been in more public domains such as child labor, prostitution, marriage, etc. Following acts were enacted for the welfare and protection of the child. Following acts were enacted for the welfare and protection of the child. The Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act 1994, the Juvenile Justice Act 2000, the Immoral Traffic Act 1956, Child Labor Act 1986, etc. First, we have to write again regarding child abuse. Then we have to write definition, types, four types. Neglect also can be divided into six subcategories. That are types of child abuse. How much percent occupies here? That one, and afterwards we have to be following acts were enacted for the welfare and protection of the child. This is explain detail about child abuse and its types. Thanks for watching.